And then, of course, this being the primary bedroom, you have space for an office, and then you have a walk-in closet. Ooh, so it's open storage, it's open shelving. So you have lots of hanging space, lots of shelving space, drawers, you have vanity, you have island storage here, then you have an ensuite, toilet and bath. With his and her sinks, they look like stone. And then you have an enclosed shower space with 2 sets of shower heads, and then a toilet on that side. I love this. I love it. Love everything. Sorry. But ito on cute. The gasps that I have done for this house tour. Okay, so very, very practical layout for the second floor, which, you know, that is, to me, it's one of the best qualities of a house if it has a practical layout, no matter the size. Okay, so before I start fangirling again, I'm gonna do a recap. But before that, make sure you check out these really nice B-rolls. So you have 364 square meters of lot area and 850 square meters of floor area split between 3 levels. You have 4 bedrooms, 5 toilet and baths, a guest accessible toilet and bath here in the living room, but that is the ensuite for bedroom number 1 on this level. You have 4 vehicle slots for your carport, and then you have a library, as well as that movie theater slash bar going on at the lower floor. You also have a jacuzzi there in that in the ensuite of that room. And then you have a deck here with an amazing view, and then staff quarters at the back of the property. Of course, they each have their own areas. Then of course, service areas, and then a gorgeous kitchen and dining area that's open. And actually, wala lang araw ngayon, pero ang ganda daw ng araw dyan in the afternoon. Okay, so all of this comes in a beautifully packaged interior where, again, like you noticed, I was just touching everything because everything's just so nice to the touch. This is a sensorial feast for the eyeballs and to the touch. All of the materials are locally sourced except for the pine, and ready na for solar power yung buong bahay. You also have security fences that look great, just like this one, and of course ones that are more subtle out in front. And also your vehicle carport has an automated gate. And all of this is in Tivoli Royale, Quezon City, and that explains the view. So if you're anyone you know is interested, make sure you send this video to them. But if you want to know more about it, make sure you check out this QR here somewhere, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us, invest with Presello. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed, okay?